Next one. We have a couple of children. They went for a walk in the park. It was sunny, but they knew that it might rain. So they, very sensible, they took umbrellas. So for this one, the action is, imagine it starts to rain and you're pushing up the umbrella, right? Trying to open it. Imagine it's a little bit stiff, right? So you're like going up, 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 up. So at least me, I push it like 3 times, twice, and then the last one it goes up. So right, up, 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 like this, right? Up, up, up. So this one is a little bit tricky because remember we talked before about this one, right? That we did earlier, the ant sound, right? So we got this one, which is the ah sound, right? So this one, remember, is like a smiley face. Remember? Ah, 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 ah. This sound, imagine making the ah, 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 ah sound. And as you make it, just relax your face. So let's do like 4 ah, 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 and then 4 more just with a relaxed face, right? So let's have a look. Just watch me. Ah, 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 ah. So if you relax your face, the sound will change to the perfect sound, right? But it's difficult to distinguish at first and identify, especially with identifying sounds, right? So I often do, for this one, we'll do like a chant, right? We'll use these sounds and we'll like do the same as what we did. We'll do like 4 and 4, then 2 and 2, and then 1 and 1, something like this, right? Like ah, 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 like something like that, right? To practice the 2 sounds together. It's difficult, and also identifying sounds. Often I will maybe say the sound, and I'll have 2 flashcards, a and a u, a and a and I will say and they have to touch the and then I'll say and they have to touch the U flashcard, right? Then you can say words that have the sound in it, right? For example, common one. Let me try and write it in my terrible mouse handwriting. We got this one. And we got this one. Right? So at the top, we got hat, hat. And the bottom, hut, hut. Right? Can you hear the difference? So I often would say a word, for example, I'll say one now. Ready? Hat. Which one do you think? That one was hat, right? With a sound in the middle. We'll do another one. Hut, hut. Which one? It's this one, right? With the sound in the middle. So I often do that with them again. I will say words that contain either a or a sound, and then they have to touch the flashcard of the sound that they can hear, right? To try and practice their ear and get them used to identifying between these 2 different sounds. Okay, so definitely when you get to this point, maybe it's an idea to do that kind of review between the and the sound to give them lots of practice. Okay,